that sound. So beautiful. So beautiful. Got this. He thinks he's cool now because he has a Mercedes.
I hate Mercedes.
No, you don't. Hey, you don't look bad in it, bro. You look like a crack dealer or something. Woo! Fire flame. All right, I gotta move this. Chewy's gonna do some car work, some car activities today. Yay! My favorite pastime. Gotta move the beast though, cause Chewy's gonna park right here. Little rev. Nah, it's cold. Can't really be revving it. Little rev. I said little, so. Oh shit, Chewy revving it on the Mercedes. What a beast. You heard a 3-wheel motion, there's 2-wheel motion, yo. God damn, Chewy, what are you doing to my car?
Breaking it. Finishing breaking it.
What? Not cool, bro. Not cool. Look both nice and safe. Nice and safe. Yeah. I need new tires. Some bullshit. Chewy just scratched my car. Just kidding. Oh, nailed it or what? Nailed it, son. Look at this guy. Look at the professional over here. Who would have known? Bro, those fumes are gonna kill you. You're inhaling all those fumes. You want me to turn it off?
Go ahead and turn it off.
When we were at the park,
Oh.
and I didn't realize my camera was full with card, the
Really?
SD card, so I didn't take no pictures, and I thought I took hella. I was like, great. But I erased all the pictures on it. So it's good now.
So now you can take pictures now?
Oh yeah, we'll be safe now.
So what did Fat Chode say?
Who?
Fat Chode? Jesus.
Oh,
So you told him that you weren't talking about the 240, and then what else?
he's trying to race me.
He's trying to race you? You should have told him those days are gone, bro. You're living in the past.
No, I'll race him. Racing off the track. Oh, you're on camera. He's gonna watch it, and
He is gonna watch
try to fight you. Nah, I'll just edit it. Chewy did it. I knew it. really see it from this angle. Chewy's head's in the way. Whee! Out with the old, in with the new. Damn, the OE ones look crappy.
This kit from f***ing
This
Arnaud is f***ing hella sick.
It's
It's hella
legit,
easy.
huh? That's what's up. That's good. That's all that came in the box?
Mhm. Just the bag and the fitting.
Oh, yup. That's why you said the other ones were garbage?
Look, it's going up.
Oh, yup.
There it goes. We have success.
Oh, Chewy works on Mercedes now. Any car, huh, Chewy?
Pretty much.
Hell yeah. That's why you gotta hit up Prestige Automotive. Get your whips right. I'll get tires for this thing next.
We should drive out to Stockton.
Are they cheap or what?
Probably get a full set for like $300 out the door.
Yeah, right.
I swear to God.
Where?
In Stockton.
I guess.
You gotta know the plug.
I always order them online.
That's what I've been doing lately. Ordering. Hey, you wanna do me a favor?
What?
We're gonna have to edit.
That's all good. This fool over here destroying someone's car.
Nah, he already destroyed it a long time ago.
Damn, Daniel. Hit it harder. A day in the life of Chewy.
Remember, kids, if you want to be low,
Get airbags.
you're gonna pay a price.
So what are you doing to it again? Tell everyone that's watching you.
Taking the fender off
For what?
to replace it.
Nah.
This isn't how you take off these fenders, by the way. This one's just toast.
Damn, Daniel. Crack kills. Hey, bro.
Fentanyl pills.
Oh, it's off. What up? G. And that's what it looks like.
Look at this shit, bro.
Hell yeah, Chew Magoo.
What's up?
This car's gonna get wrapped by the homies. What's their Instagram?
Flipping colors.
Flipping Colors. Follow them. They're legit. Do legit work. It's gonna be a red color, huh? Like
Yeah, the wraps are
kind of like a candy red type deal. Bro, I'd lose it if you hit my car like that.
Huh?
I said I'd
I'm
lose it.
just fixing it, dog. I ain't breaking it. It's already broken.
Is this the new one over here? Oh shit. Quit texting, fool. Get to work.
I'm messaging this fool. Yell at me?
Oh shit.
What are we gonna do for lunch, guys?
That's exactly what I was gonna ask. I got off lunchtime.
I got 10 to throw. I don't know what you guys want.
I didn't bring my cash. I got my card, look. I got my credit card with like 15 grand, Chewy. Let's blow it all in the casino.
Let's do it. Vic's buying. No.
I wonder how much memory I got left on my phone.
Removing this low wrap, bro.
Oh, it has a wrap on it already?
Yeah, this one, the bumper is wrapped.
Oh shit.
Just the bumper, though. Oh, and the lip was. We did this a while back for the bumper. Yeah,
That's what's up.
so gotta get it.
I thought it was painted, bro. I can't even really tell the difference.
Nah. It's good. Is this from me?
Hmm.
I don't think he had it.
Shout out KJ Raps.
Yeah, hell yeah.
But nah, I can't remember. I don't think it is.
What, the brand?
Yeah.
Oh, hey, you guys got your swap? Your little booklet?
Yeah, bro. I don't know.
I'm gonna need to borrow one.
Why, you got a custody or what?
Yeah. Remember I told you guys about the bike?
Yeah.
The one with all the plastic wrap?
That was a while back, huh?
Yeah, that fool's ready. He came into the store the other day and he was like, hey, what's up? Are you gonna wrap my bike or not? I was like, well, I told you to bring me the parts. We'll get it done.
Is it just the tank and the fenders? I don't know where you guys trying to get food at me or yeah, well, honestly, I didn't see it.
Well, I guess it's just us two.
Sorry, no,
It's fine.
What? For what?
Throw money.
Oh, what do you want to get then? You want me to go? I'll go. Or you can go with me.
Well, I gotta get this fender on and I gotta get these fenders rolled so they can start wrapping something.
Yeah, lunchtime.
Vic edition.
Yeah. ¿Y el carro para cuándo, Chuy?
Next week.
That's how long it take to get it wrapped and stuff?
Probably not.
How long does it take you guys? Like to do a car?
Andy, bro, like with all this extra stuff, probably like 2 weeks.
Yeah. For sure, for sure.
We're just taking off the simple shit, door handles, headlights, all this stuff.
Yeah.
Probably
For sure.
una semana.
Órale, órale.
Yeah, we're getting a little quicker. It used to take us a lot more because we wouldn't get the time off our other job and shit.
Oh, okay.
Now we try and get at least like the whole week off to try and speed up the process, you know?
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
That's what's up. Hey, this shit used to be silver or just a bumper, right?
Just a bumper.
Just a bumper was silver.
The actual car is
Oh shit. That's why vinyl wrapping is expensive. All these people trying to pay hella cheap.
Yeah.
A lot of work. Yeah, it's a lot of fucking work, dude.
I think it's just bring it in, stick it on.
Yeah. Well, shit, I'm gonna eat this hamburger before this fucking fly does. Ah. Alright. You already did this one?
Yeah.
So all that blue shit has to come off or what?
For the most part, yeah.
El Chumagoo.